In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer photos from MacBook to SD card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can transfer any files from your MacBook to an SD card. So to start, connect the SD card to your MacBook. You can use a SD card reader, and once it is properly plugged in, it will usually appear right on your desktop with this icon here of an SD card. So find your specific SD card. If it doesn't appear right away, then double check the connection, or you can look under Finder, and it should be available here as well under the Locations option. As soon as you see your SD card here under Finder, it means that it is detected and ready to use. So now if you click on the SD card, you can see all of the contents inside of this SD card. Maybe there's something that you want to transfer from the SD card into the MacBook. You can do so now. So you can right click, copy, you can drag and drive, whatever you want to do. And if you want to transfer files from the MacBook into the SD card, the process is basically the same. You just go to any folder. So let's say, for example, photos. Then you find a specific photo and you can either right click and choose the options to cut, copy, or you can drag and drop. So you click, hold, and then you just drag it over to the Locations option where you will see your SD card. Once it is dropped inside of here, the file will be copied or pasted accordingly. And once you have the file here, you are good to go. You can do the exact same thing with photos, videos, music, any data that can be stored inside of the SD card, as long as it has enough storage. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So by subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.